Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Deship. Now I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Unseen-2. In this Unseen, it has been discussed about a story, the story of Bayezid, who was a very devoted to his mother. Before going to our today's discussion, I will solve your previous lecture problem. There is a mistake in my previous lectures. The mistake was in true-false. The true-false was provided by me. Let's see our today's solution. Can you see the word? Okay. The true-false number D. The true-false was the duck dropped a stick to the end. The duck dropped a stick to the end. According to the passage, we came to learn that the duck dropped a leaf to the end. So this is our problem. Here is the problem. So it should be false. It should be false. But in previous lecture, I provided you true, but that statement is false, so please make it now correction. Okay? Now let's see our today's discussion. It's all about a Bayezid. Bayezid was a small boy who was very desperate and obedient to his mother. One day his mother was very sick and he was studying beside his mother. Suddenly his mother asked for a glass of water. Then Bayezid took a glass for water, but he found that there was no water in the pitcher. Finding no water at home, he went to at the corner side of his village to fetch some water. Let's see then what's happened. Okay. Bayezid was a small boy. His mother was ill. One day he was studying by his sick mother. How was his mother? His mother was sick. Okay. Suddenly, his mother asked him for a glass of water. Bayezid took a glass to take water from the pitcher. Where? From the pitcher. But the pitcher was empty. How was the pitcher? The pitcher was empty. The pitcher was empty. Bayezid could remember a stream. A stream. Please, during this reading, you should underline very specific information so that you can answer question easily. A stream far from his house and the corner of the village. Where was the stream? In the corner of the village. The night was dark. How was the night? The night was dark. Okay. Bayezid took the pitcher and went to fetch water from the stream. When he returned with water, he found his mother in deep sleep. How did he find his mother? In a deep sleep. Okay, underline. So he decided to stand beside his mother's bed with a glass of water. What is strange? He was standing the whole night beside his mother with a glass of water. Yet he didn't disturb his mother. The whole night passed. His mother woke up in the morning and saw Bayezid standing with a glass of water. Seeing that, her eyes became full of tears. She blessed her son from her heart. What did she do? She blessed. Blessed means prayed from her. Her blessings made him a great saint later. What did he become later? He became a great saint later. Okay, now our passage is done. Now go to question number 5. In 5 number, there is some true false. Write whether the following statements are true or false. If false, write the correct answer. If it is wanted by your instruction to give correct answer, then you can give correct answer. But if it is not given, no need to give correct answer. Okay. Number F. Bayezid's father was ill. Is it right? check the information with our passage. Is it right? No. According to the passage, we came to learn that Bayajid's mother was ill. The problem is here. Bayajid's mother was ill. So the statement is false. Right here, false. The correct answer should be Bayajid's mother was ill. Okay, number B. Bayajid was studying by his sick mother. According to the passage, it's true information. So right here, true. Bayajid was studying by his sick mother. Yes. Next, number C. Bayajid's mother asked for a pitcher of water. Is it right? Check the information with the passage. No. The information doesn't match. What's the problem? The problem is here. Pitcher. His mother didn't ask for a pitcher. His mother asked only for a glass of water. So it's our false information. Right here, false. Next, number D. The pitcher was empty. Yes, this is our true information. Right, true here. Next, number E. Bayajid went to fetch water from the river. The problem is here. There is a little bit difference between river and stream. Stream is a water body, a little water body, but river is extended, a big water body. So it should be false, because we came to learn that Bayajid went to fetch water from the stream, not river. Number F. He stood beside his mother's bed with water. He stood beside his mother's bed with water. Yes, true. Right, true. This information is correct according to the passage. Last one. He found his father in deep sleep. Is it right? No. There was not discussion about his father. We got idea about his mother. So it should be he found his mother in deep sleep. Right here, false. Okay, now check again. First one, Bayajid's mother was ill. Yes, false. It should be false, because it should be mother. Bayajid was studying by true. Bayajid's mother asked for a pitcher of is false. The pitcher was empty. True information. Bayajid went to fetch water from river. False. He stood beside his mother's bed with water. Yes, true. He found his father in deep sleep. Okay, false. Now, question number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First of all, read out the word from, stood, corner, beside, had, went, of, said. Here is given 8 words, but here is blank only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 words are given extra. You have to select the correct one from the box. Okay, Bayajid dash no water in the house. Read out from the here. It should be had. Bayajid had no water in the house. Okay, number B. He out in the dark to bring water. Yes, it should be went. He went. He went out in the dark to bring water. He brought water the stream. Where? From the stream. It should be from. Okay, this had is done. Went done. From also done. Next, the stream was in a of the village. Where? According to the passage, the stream where? The stream was in the corner of the village. So right corner from here. Corner of the village. Next one is Bayajid with a glass of water all night. What did he do with glass? Bayajid stood. This is here. Bayajid stood with the glass of water all night. This is also done. Now question answer. Let's see. First one is answer the following questions. What did Bayajid's mother do? Here we should write answer. You can open your CW copy and you can pick down this answer. First number is, what did Bayajid's mother want? We came to learn that Bayajid's mother wanted a glass of water. Write down. Bayajid's mother, what did she want? Bayajid's mother wanted. It should be past form of want. Why? Because your question is asked by past tense. Bayajid's mother wanted a glass of water. Okay, now go to question number B. In question number B, where was the stream? Write first subject, the stream. Next verb, auxiliary verb. The stream was where. Here was is a principal verb. The stream was in the corner of the village. Okay, next go to C number. What did Bayajid do when his mother was asleep? We came to learn that. Right first subject, Bayajid stood with the glass of beside his mother. Bayajid stood beside his mother with the glass of water. What did he do? Bayajid stood beside his mother with a glass of water. Now question number D. What did Bayajid become later? What did Bayajid become later? We came to learn that from passage. Her blessings made him a great saint later. Great saint later. So Bayajid became a great saint later. Okay, now the last one. Where did Bayajid fetch water from? Yes, we know that. Bayajid fetched, right in past form of fetch. Bayajid fetched water from the stream. From where? From the stream. Let's have a review. First question was, what did Bayajid's mother want? Bayajid's mother wanted a glass of water. Second question, where was the stream? The stream was in the corner of the village. C number question, what did Bayajid do when his mother was asleep? Bayajid stood beside his mother with the glass of water. He didn't wake him up. He didn't wake his mother. Rather, he stood whole night. Okay, now D number, what did Bayajid become later? Bayajid became a great saint later. Okay, last one, where did Bayajid fetch water from? Bayajid fetched water from the stream. Okay, this is all about our today's discussion. Now I will provide you an SW. Please do this SW in your SW copy. If it is not possible, you can arrange any copy or any sheet, but please make your SW different for different subject. Make different sheet for different subject, and at the top of your SW please write down your name, roll number, SW number and lecture number also. So let's see the SW, today's SW. This is my SW3. Previously I have provided 2 SW. I hope you have already submitted the previous SW. Suppose you are Shaikat, write a letter to your friend Tamal telling him to obey his parents. This is your SW, this is short letter. You have to submit this SW next Sunday, and you can collect this SW another Sunday. So please abide by your parents, keep practicing a lot, drink a lot of water, eat vegetables, do some physical exercise at home. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.